Hi there. Greetings from Vissco. Let us now see how to wear the Vissco Lumboset Advance Belt. Product code 2103. The Vissco Lumboset Advance Belt supports the weak back muscles and helps to relieve back pain. It can be used in case of low back pain, muscular imbalance in the lumbar spine area, and spinal conditions like facet syndrome and slip disc. For the product to be most effective, it is important to select the right size. Take a measuring tape and measure the circumference around the waist. You can then select the appropriate size. From the chart on the box, you can select from small, medium, large, extra large, and extra large. Now that you have selected the right size, let's wear the product. Place the belt over your lower back. Make sure the lower end of the belt covers the lumbar area. Now, stretch both the elastic and lock to a comfortable and snug fit. Pull and lock the outer straps for additional reinforcement. Congratulations! You are now wearing the product correctly.